家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Yo, what's up? It's time for Daily Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係美甲。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And this month we're teaching you about different units in time, like a year, a day, or an annual event. 今天就来教一日、两日、三日这样子好了，
一日不见，如隔
三秋吗？
对，
考我的中文造诣啊。Okay, how do you say a day? 日
念
OK 或一天两天也是一样
念六念
对 OK 一天两天 That's one day, 2 day. Like a day has 24 hours. Again, we should teach you how to say that. 一天有24小時。
一年有
24點鐘 So a day has 24 hours and a week has 7 days, right? 一個星期有7天。
一禮拜有7日。
OK， 一个礼拜有7天是没错。我很好奇比如说英文我们会 Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday， 以此类推，对不对？那中文我们就简单星期一、星期二、星期三。那客语呢？拜一、拜二、拜三，也是用这个1、2、3就好了。Yeah, see, in the Mandarin language and also in Hakka, it's so much simpler to name the days of the week. You know, you don't have different words for it. It's basically day 1, day 2, day 3. 这样很容易就记得了，
很好去辨識。
没错。Okay, let's review some of the phrases we brought up, including a whole week, 一个星期，
一禮拜
and then 24 hours, 24小時
，24點鐘
and finally, 天，一天两天，天，日 and there you have it, learning about the units in time in Hakka. Thank you for listening.
什麼大家？
安子 say 張偉了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.